Hi, I'm Brian with Flat Peak. I'm the founder and designer of the Flat Peak rooftop tent leveling mounts. So what we do is we allow you to level your rooftop tent without having to level your vehicle, so it moves independently. If you zoom on in here, we have our mounts here. It goes on any rooftop tent and just about any rack. So you unlock the mounts when you park and you just lift up, levels the rooftop tent, you lock them back out. This levels in 1.5 degree increments up to about 12 degrees. We manufacture everything in-house except for the bolts. It's all high-strength stainless steel and aluminum. With our set, you get all four corners. It mounts standard to just about any rooftop tent. The only ones we don't do are the claw side, so if it comes in claws on the side, we can't make a bracket for that because of the forces that are needed. We do the same thing with roof racks. This is our 3-inch bracket, so it's a little bit smaller. We have a standard 4-inch as well, but because we manufacture everything in-house, if there is a special design, if you want to fit the holes on a T-slot or a special homemade roof rack, just contact us and we can make those adjustments for you and get you all set up. We've tested this up to 1,500 pounds. We're certified up to 1,000 pounds static, 150 pounds dynamic. You can find them online at our shop. Our shop is flatpeakshop.com. Our phone number is 630-815-9645. We're selling them for $4.99 online. Right now, if you leave a review, there's another $25 rebate that's off, and we have sales bouncing in and out. So if you go on there, sign up for our emails. We won't spam you with emails, but you'll get some sales. Thanks, come check us out.